All right. He did 3. He thinks he can do 4. I say no, but let's see.
Yeah, I can do this.
Okay, go ahead.
But...
Right and down. Down, right, down, right. Your other right. To the right, Nick. Right. You're going left. Right.
Right. Oh, this way? Is this right?
Right.
Okay. Oh my God.
Here. Okay. Just move it around a little bit. Okay. Is that where you want to stop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right in the same place.
You moved over, I think, 1. So let's see. Okay. 4 for 4? Maybe. Get out of here!
I told you I can do it!
Skeletor!
Rare.
The red rare! Look at him! Lava and fire! What is he? Fire? Is he lava? What is he
Lava
actually?
fire.
That's it. Inferno Skeletor. I don't believe it.
I told you!
You are out of control. Wow. Amazing. Amazing.
It's
Look at
slowly
this.
going
One
up.
into the other.
It's slowly going up to a grand.
You know what? Since you get the good ones and I get all the common ones, I should open one because we still need that common Panther. And apparently I'm the only one that gets the regular ones.
Okay. Do it in the next video.
You see this? Unbelievable. Wow. Man, he looks great. Look at that.
Look at him close. I need to get another. We need a pack.
He's cool. Yeah, it'd be cool. Because I can't wait to see him come to life and come out of his package.
But what if we never get a second?
Well, we'll see. Listen, once the games come out and all the other ways to use them, then we'll decide what do we want to keep as collectors and what do we want to open as toys.
We'll see.
Right now, we'll leave them sealed till we know how we're going to use them. Right? But we might, if we even only have one, we might be able to open it. Let's see what comes of it. Let's see what kind of cool stuff the team builds. Looking at you guys. That's right. Mr. Alfonso. You're the idea guy. You're a creative type. So, let's see what you make.
Yes.
All right. Cool. This is really so much fun. We'll be back with more as always.